Alright, we're going to be shooting today a 6.5 by 50 millimeter Type 38 Jap rifle from 1951 from the Korean War. My grandpa brought it back home with him. Got a new firing pin and safety knob on there. Got the Japanese writing. The mum scratched off. Overall, it's pretty decent, I guess. Got a freaking extension cord hooked up to it because I haven't fired it. It hasn't been fired since 1951. So I'm going to run an extension cord and freaking pull the trigger and see what happens.